Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Phil, also known as the King of Thrift. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my office and also my warehouse, which is right through that door behind you. But we're going to start with the office area. I'm just going to go through and show you guys how things flow through here when they come in, what we do with them, how we list them, the process they go through, where they're stored, how they're shipped, and maybe it'll help you guys out as far as setting up your own shipping station, listing, where you're going to store things, how you're going to store things, inventory management, all these other things. Hope it helps you guys out. This is where I take pictures. I do flat lays here. I also throw them on my mannequin, anything that I need to. We also use this table for packaging and shipping as well. This is our all-around, work table. I take this piece of styrofoam here and I put that in front of the television, and that way it gets rid of that black there, and that way if I need a solid white background, I've got it. You spin around, you can see over here we have the door, the entrance, the door on the right. Over there goes to the warehouse. Over here on the right, we have my library, books. One of my prized possessions is a Bible from 1872, I want to say. My Superman, of course, but I know you guys aren't interested in that. What we have here is some neckties that I'm listing. These are special ties. As you can see here, this is a Rush Limbaugh just in time for Christmas. Pretty rare tie, hard to find, along with some other ones here. This is my workstation. This is basically where I do everything that I need to do. Anything that needs to be done, basically I'm doing it over here. Our packager and shipper uses this table to package and ship everything. Right there are all the packaging supplies. All right, come on through here and you can see this is basically where our lister does the listings over here in her little area. Items go here. Whenever we bring them in, we're just getting ready to list them. We put them here. This is also the kitchen area, little charging station, fan. Over here, I have stored some rare items, some specialty items. Right up here, guys, give you guys a little peek. See what we got going on here. I got more than one of these in here. I got 4 of these. What this is this right here. Got some collectibles, some really nice collectibles like this cutlass. I haven't decided what to do with this yet. Some things I just hold on to. Like this, Panasonic, brand new VCR, forehead. Once they're listed, what we do is we take them out of here. Here's our mascot. That's Chiquita. Is that me ringing?
No.
That's you. All right, we'll skip that. Okay. Follow me here. Okay, so out here is our warehouse, just a huge warehouse. Here we have some neckties, we got more neckties. This is everything that I use for cleaning shoes, cleaning pretty much everything that needs to be cleaned. It can be done here with all these different cleaners, carpet cleaner, or anything you can imagine. Got some rations over here, got some Himalayan salt. You can look all along here, you can see on both sides. You can see we are stacked to the ceiling with just, collectible type stuff. Autographed Kansas City Chiefs by the teams, vintage cowboy belts here, cowboy western belts, some killer boots. This is my tie section, well, one of my tie sections. As you can see, each one of these boxes is full of specialty ties. We got 80s ties, we got kids ties, we got singles, we got logos, more single ties. Singles are basically going to be listed individually. A lot of these I put into lots and sell them, and all these are ties. And come on down, you can see here, this is my jackets where I store all my sport coats, blazers, shirts, leather jackets. You can see this here. Look at that, guys. You see that Chanel? Look at that. Ooh wee. This is my personal section here. And this is all my collectible stuff. Like this is a original high-low auto parts supply. That's a true vintage right there. This also, that's a true vintage. This is a Nissan. Nissan made in China. Old school, baby. That's mine. Basically all this, everything over here. You can see I got my Uncharted. These 2 boxes. This box over here, all these clothes, everything in these boxes, including this box, these are all collectibles. That dresser right there I had since I was 4 years old, but it's got all sorts of stuff, collectibles in it. Over here, that's where we keep shoes and boots. Some of the shoes and boots. Over here, we got more jackets, blazers. This way, come on down around this corner here. Look down this aisle, look at that. This is my crazy aisle. Basically everything down here is kind of wrecked in, but it is organized chaos. It doesn't look like it. This is just the most unorganized section. Got all my leathers over here, and come around this corner here. Come on this way. And then we got more stuff over here in this corner. Bunch of military stuff. You can see how things are labeled. See, offline purses. R. Anything that's labeled R is in this box. Labeled K is in that box. C, I, H, This is all sorts of miscellaneous items. Over here you can see we've got a lot of military storage. We got some belts hanging right here. The belts are hanging all over the place. But as you can see, I need to clean up. I wanted to get this place clean before doing this video. So finally, I bit the bullet and here it is. Good, bad, and the ugly. Mostly ugly. That's it, guys. This is the warehouse. Once items are listed in there, we bring them in here. They're stored, they're organized. And then once it sells, we come back here, we get it. And these here, this is pretty cool. Look at this, guys. All this box, this box, not that one. And these 2 boxes down there. These are all Harley Davidson shirts. Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson's t-shirts. I haven't listed any of these. Most of this inventory back here hasn't even been listed. That's what you call over shopping, I guess, for years. And honestly, I haven't had to shop in probably the last year. I have so much inventory. I just go back there, get what I need. I sort of shop in my inventory. We list it. The nicer purses in the office where it's nice and cool. It is actually cool in here too. I don't know if you noticed. I have 2 air conditioners right here. Gigantic ACs. And these are industrial, they're like $800 a piece. Together, they'll cool this whole warehouse. You can see here, I actually sealed this entire wall. I insulated it and sealed it with plastic, completely sealed. And that keeps the air during the summer, keeps it cool back here, and it keeps it warm during the winter. Because this is basically a cargo bay door. This whole thing opens up. Hopefully this video helped you out, guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching another video. Until my next one, you guys get on out there
and make that money on eBay.